Good morning, your future self. It is 4 butt crack of dawn, 30 in the morning, as usual, 4:38 on September the 19th. Still up in New York City. Um, oh, the thing I wanted to put on video here is that reading through some messages, and I may be missing something. I don't know, but this seems like a profound fact to me. That is that our most baby powder, our most one of our most famous, anyway, prestigious minds of recent years ish. Well, I guess it's still recent, still within the last century. Is Einstein. Einstein was after the theory of everything, and everybody was on board with him. And quite frankly, quite a few people still are. And I'm going to treat myself to a shower here in a minute. In any case, the he was after a theory of everything, right? So Einstein, the biggest name that anybody thinks of when you think of intelligence, right, was after a theory of everything, and come to find out, he only had the smaller part of everything. So we found that there's dark matter, and that's most of everything. That's the latest thing. You get my age and you stop believing this shit anymore. But yeah, the smartest guy ever thought that he was very close to everything, and turns out he did not even see like 10% of everything. So people thinking we know stuff. I get practicality, and if you can use it repetitively enough, then you might as well. But the theory of gravity and all this other shit is still a theory, folks. And if you think it's anything different, you're missing a lot. You're just along for a ride as opposed to driving. So remember that, brother. Oh, you know what? I've never told myself I loved you. Kind of weird. I do love you. Probably should do better, but I do my best. That was weird. Oh no, I missed it. Did I miss it? Did I miss it? Oh, I did. I missed it. Totally missed it today. Oh, I was having too much fun. Yeah. So, I guess how you say that is Augustin Farms Emergency Food Supply, 30-day. Thought I would try one of these buckets, and I think it's $80 for like 30 days of food, right? So I'm like, interesting. And I'm actually using it without heat, which seems to work. I didn't know that would. Obviously, you have to wait a little longer for the water to permeate everything, but it's all freeze dried food. And I'm sure it's very unhealthy, but its shelf life is 25 years, so I'm going to make my way through this, make sure it's the one I want, or at least the one to use. There are much better ones, but this one is budget friendly, so and it's quite tidy for 30 days of food, obviously, so it looks good so far. We'll see what happens. Not great tasting, but
analysis of cards played shows a 77% chance of you losing this hand, Benjamin.
When I reprogrammed the police tour, I tried to put some human traits in her personality. So, now, I never did. I'm assuming you're not going to turn me in.
My analysis of co-pilot Fansan's vital signs suggests a very high probability that he will turn you in, Benjamin. The laser pulse is then focused into a surgical quality beam capable of executing the most precise incisions.
Doctor, mind if I sit down?
What if I do?
Just following the rules, get to know the crew.
So, is there a conflict?
I act nice and you want to come in?
You act nice wanting medicine towards the credit.
I found staying clean in the circumstance and I really well. Took since we all these